and welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to do page number 10 of our WPS books. Exercise A is your assignment and we are going to start with exercise B today. So the question of exercise B is make words by carrying out these instructions. Now let's see what the instructions are. The first one is after manu, after M-A-N-U, manu, write script, facture and al. So adding manu to these words, we have to form new words. Let's see what are the words. So when we add manu to script, it becomes manuscript, manufacture and manual. The second question says after auto, write mobile, graph, matic and biography. Let's see what words we get when we add auto to these words. It becomes automobile. When we add the word auto to mobile, it becomes automobile. When it is added to the word graph, it becomes autograph, matic, automatic, and when it is added to the word biography, it becomes autobiography. Now let's move to the third question. After co, write operative, exist, ers, hort, and inside. So it becomes, when we add operative to the word, to the prefix co, it becomes cooperative. And when the same is added to exist, it becomes coexist, ers, coerce, hort, cohort, and inside, coincide. The fourth question says before script. Now see, all the questions that we did till now from 1 to 3 instructed us to add a word after the given words or the prefixes, after the given words. Now the fourth question says we have to add before the given word. So let's see. Before script, write manu, con, post, nonde. So when we add these words to script, it becomes manuscript, conscript, postscript, nondescript. Postscript means added after a letter, something added after a letter or something that is added after the signature of the signature of the writer, or anything added to a story, right? And nondescript means undescribed. Now the next few questions of exercise B belongs to the same pattern, that is adding suffixes and prefixes to the given words and forming new words from that. Let's see what the fifth question says. Question number 5 says before il. Now the suffix is given to us. So before il, you have to write mob, sen, juven, gent, fute and infant. Let's see what does it become when we add mob to the given suffix il. It becomes mobile. When we add sen to il, it becomes senile. Now juven, J-U-V-E-N is added to il, it becomes juvenile, right? When G-E-N-T, gent, is added to the suffix il, it becomes gentile. Fute, F-U-T-I-L-E, futile, and infantile. This is how we are forming new words by adding the given suffix. Now let's see the sixth question. Before et. Now the given suffix is et, to which we have to add the given words author, sincere, secure, minor and ident, ident. So what does it become when we add A-U-T-H-O-R, author, to the suffix et? A-U-T-H-O-R, when is added to et, it becomes authority, S-I-N-C-E-R. When it is added to et, it becomes sincerity. Similarly, security, minority, and identity.